everyone, this is Sweet Sashmit. I'm gonna make jasmine white yummy chicken curry. We need the ingredients. We need some fresh chicken and just put some pepper and some little bit of salt. Now mix it with the milk. Deep frying in the oil, and that is how this looks. This is how they look after frying. Let this whipped sauce. We need some sriracha sauce and soya sauce, some vinegar, and oyster sauce. My favorite ketchup. We need to mix all these sauces. Soya sauce, and finally vinegar.
Look here.
We need to put a little bit of oil. Let's put the sauce. This sauce is cooking. Wow! Sauce is ready. Now let's put the chicken. I put the chicken in sauce. The chicken is slowly cooking. It's almost ready. Now I have served chicken and rice and bread. Let me know you like my recipe. If you like my video, just subscribe to my channel. Bye.